Back in 1980, a boomer could buy a house for $60,000. Today, that exact same property is worth $400,000. Meanwhile, half your paycheck already goes to rent, and you're staring down a $300,000 mortgage before you even hit 30. Here's what's frustrating. You work just as hard as they did, you're probably more educated. Yet somehow, the wealth gap keeps getting wider. But this is where the story changes, because you actually have some massive advantages boomers never had. I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use these advantages to catch up and even get ahead. Let's break down why boomers got rich and where you're starting behind. First, housing. We know the prices have skyrocketed, but here's the real issue: equity versus cash flow. Boomers got to build massive equity simply by living in their homes as the market exploded. You, on the other hand, are forced to pour up to half your income into a mortgage or rent, leaving you with hardly any cash to invest. That is a massive blocker to wealth building that stops you before you even start. Next, the shift from pensions to 401k plans. Boomers usually got a pension, which was a guaranteed monthly check for life that they didn't have to manage. You got a 401k instead, which means the pressure is on you to understand all the investment options, their risk profiles, and pick the right ones. This shift to self-directed accounts completely changed the game because pensions required zero financial knowledge, while 401k plans force you to be your own investment manager. Then there's student debt. A boomer might have paid $2,000 to $5,000 for their entire college education, but you're likely carrying $50,000 or maybe even $100,000 in loans. That debt alone can delay your ability to build real wealth by a decade or more. At an age when a boomer was buying their second property, you're still paying off school. And finally, wage stagnation. Boomer salaries used to grow by 6 to 7% every year. Your raises are closer to 3% when the cost of food and rent continues to spike. They started their life with a compounding advantage, but you're starting behind and running uphill. But here's where it gets interesting, because you actually have some solid advantages that they never had. By the way, if this video is helping you, please like and subscribe. It helps more people find practical money management tips like these. Move 1. Automate contributing 15% of your income into your Roth IRA and 401k. Don't sweat it too much, just set it and forget it. If your employer offers a 401k match, take it because that's free money. A Roth IRA grows completely tax-free and gives you total control, which is a massive upgrade over the old school pensions. If you automate just $500 a month, you end up with $1.2 million in 30 years. Move 2. Invest in low-cost index funds like VOO or BTI that were never available to boomers. VOO tracks the S&P 500, while BTI covers the entire US stock market. This strategy ensures that high fees are not eating into your returns and keeps you from making emotional decisions about individual stocks. You just get steady, reliable growth over the long term. Move 3. Increase your income. Don't just cut expenses. Boomers had one job their whole life, but you have many options to increase your income. By switching jobs every few years, taking up gigs like ride-sharing in your spare time, or by having online side hustles. These are the options boomers never had. But if you want to really maximize your wealth, you need to take advantage of your biggest asset, time. Watch this video to learn why $100 in your 20s beats $1,000 in your 40s, and fix your investing strategy before it costs you.